How to fix you can't use this feature right now in Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, if you are facing that problem, make sure your Facebook application is updated. So, head over to your Play Store or your App Store. At the top search bar, type in Facebook. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. In case you see open, leave that as it is. Head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, then tap apps. Here also you have to search for Facebook. So type in Facebook, then tap enter. Wait for this to load. Once you see Facebook, open it. Likewise, tap on to storage. Here, clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, you may also go ahead, clear data and delete the data. Now once you do so, go back and tap on force stop, then OK. Now restart your device, launch your Facebook, and this shall fix your problem. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.